उज़्बेकिस्तान का एक डेलीगेशन हिंदुस्तान के दौरे पर है। उज़्बेकिस्तान के बुखारा के गवर्नर जारिपो बोइटर कोमिलोच और डिप्टी गवर्नर असदो रोज़ाराव पोच ने रियासती वज़ीर बराए अक़लियती अमूर हाउसिंग वक्फ ज़मीर अहमद ख़ान से इनके दफ्तर में मुलाकात की। इस मौके पर डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ माइनॉरिटी के डायरेक्टर जैलानी मकाशी भी मौजूद रहे। वज़ीर ज़मीर अहमद ख़ान की जानिब से इस डेलीगेशन को तहनीत पेश की गई।
Thank you. Thank you.
Qadrli Hindiston hukumati vakillari, hurmatli Zamir Ahmad janoblari, assalomu alaykum ishtirokchi qatnashchilar.
Assalamu alaikum, dear representatives of the government.
Your governor?
Deputy governor.
Deputy governor.
Please leave it for me to translate here. Okay.
You of this Uzbekistan Honorable Governor visit to our state and our country. So I welcome you.
This is our Maharaja Peta. Maharaja Peta. King's Peta.
Thank you. Thank you.
Government of India, dear Mr. Zamir Ahmad Khan, dear participants.
Hindistonning tarixiy markazlaridan biri bo'lgan mana shu Bangalor provinsiyasi Karnataka bugungi bo'lib o'tayotgan ikki tomonlama hamkorlik doirasida Bangalor provinsiyasi hukumat vakillari bilan uchrashishdan g'oyat biz mamnunmiz.
I am very pleased to have the opportunity to meet with the representatives of the government of Bangalore province and to find new partners in the framework of today's bilateral cooperation.
This seminarium of Kalan is located in
1221 yilda qurilgan, hozirgacha shundaydir.
It was built in 1122 years, so it's just remaining like this.
Thank you.
Masjid-i Kalon,
Close to it there is a
Mir Arab,
Mosque Kalan,
madrasa,
and we
500
have
yil bo'lgan.
a madrasa called Mir Arab.
Büyük İslam allomalari hozir ham ishlayapti.
Many big scholars of Islam go to study it, and this is functioning madrasa.
Buxoro to'g'risidagi kitob.
This is our book from Bukhara.
Thank you. Thank you.
Taraf.